Imagine getting paid to manage finances, all from home without spending a penny. In today's video, we're diving into a secret for making money online. This method is simple yet effective. Stick around. It could change your financial future. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about online bookkeeping. It can be done with zero upfront costs. Online bookkeeping. Small businesses need someone to manage their books. If you have a knack for numbers, this could be your golden ticket. You don't need to be a certified accountant. Many just need someone reliable for basic tasks. Platforms to offer bookkeeping services. Upwork. Create a profile, showcase your skills, and bid on bookkeeping jobs. Fiverr. Create gigs describing your bookkeeping services with tiered packages. Freelancer. Bid on bookkeeping projects, ideal for smaller tasks. QuickBooks Pro Advisor. Get certified and appear in their directory for credibility. LinkedIn. Market your services, join groups, and connect with business owners. How to market yourself effectively. Build a strong profile. Your profile is your first impression. Highlight your skills, experience, and certifications. Use a professional photo and write a compelling bio. Create a portfolio. Include sample work, case studies, or testimonials. A strong portfolio helps clients see your value. Offer a free consultation to attract new clients. Demonstrate your expertise and build trust. Use social proof. Ask clients for positive feedback. Reviews build trust with potential clients. Network and connect. Join online communities and share advice. This positions you as an expert and builds relationships. Tools you'll need. Wave Accounting. Free software for small business bookkeeping. Track income, expenses, manage payroll, and generate reports. QuickBooks Online. Offers a 30-day free trial. Widely recognized and trusted by businesses. Google Sheets. Free tool for custom spreadsheets. Trello or Asana. Free tools for managing tasks and deadlines. Calendly. Schedule meetings seamlessly. Zoom. Free plan for virtual meetings. Leverage these tools to offer bookkeeping services online. This online opportunity, bookkeeping, is proof you don't need money to start making money. All you need is the right knowledge and determination. Will you choose to make money online this way? Comment below to let me know how you'd like to start making money online. Hit that subscribe button for more ways to make money online. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.